Hey everyone, my name is Quinn and I help women over 40 create intentional income streams that support their freedom, their future, and their next chapter. Women entrepreneurs are far less likely than men to get funding from venture capital or even banks. That's not just my opinion, it's fact. And if I'm being honest, waiting on someone else to write us a big check, that's the slowest way to build your dream. The Bible says in Ecclesiastes 11:6, plant your seed in the morning and keep busy all afternoon because you don't know which effort will succeed. Maybe one, maybe both. That's how I believe women in midlife should approach building wealth. Don't wait for a loan. Don't wait for permission. Start planting seeds, small, intentional income streams, because you never know which one is going to sprout first. For decades, women have been told to pitch, apply, wait, and hope for approval. And yet, we are consistently overlooked, not because we lack talent or vision, but because the system wasn't built with us in mind. Instead of waiting for a bank loan or an investor, what if you became your own bank? Let me give you a real life example. I have a friend who wants to start a wine business. She was told that she would need $100,000 just to get started. Naturally, she was discouraged. Who wouldn't be? Most people would stop right there and say, well, I guess that's not possible for me. But here's the thing, she doesn't need $100,000 to start. She just needs to seed her efforts. And that's exactly what I teach, creating smaller, faster income streams that fund your bigger vision. Now, here's how I would coach her to start seeding her wine business today using what I call a stack. Step one in the stack is consulting. She already knows about wine. She knows the business. She knows the flavors, the pairings, and the hosting. She could start consulting with people who want to host tastings, restaurants who want to create experiences, or even beginners who want to just learn. Consulting brings in cash flow fast because there's no bottles needed, no warehouse needed, and more importantly, no $100,000 needed. Step two would be packaging that knowledge into a simple digital product, an ebook like Wine 101 for beginners, a checklist for hosting wine nights, a mini course on pairings. Create it once, sell it again and again. It's scalable, it's evergreen, and it's low lift. Thirdly, I would recommend events. Host small tastings or virtual experiences. She could charge $50 per seat. Once you get 20 people in a room, that's $1,000. And here's the kicker, events don't just bring in money, they build community. Community is currency, and that currency is repeatable. The last recommendation I would make is for her to do YouTube content. Now, this is the amplifier. She could take people on the journey with her. She could post behind the scenes of learning the wine business, planning her events, creating her digital products. The list goes on and on. YouTube does three things. It builds credibility, it builds community, and eventually becomes its own income stream through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Now, imagine stacking all four of those. Consulting brings quick wins, digital products create scalable income, events build influence and credibility, and YouTube amplifies everything and attracts new people. That's the power of seeding. Instead of sitting still, waiting for $100,000 to just fall into her lap, she's actively building her bridge toward it. And this isn't just for my friend who wants to start a wine business. This is for you too. Maybe your dream isn't a vineyard. Maybe it's a consulting practice, a book, a boutique, or a membership community. Whatever it is, don't wait for a perfect moment or a big investor. Start with what you know, package it, share it, plant multiple seeds, because you don't know which one will sprout first. Maybe it'll be consulting, maybe your first digital product, maybe it'll be an event that changes everything for you. The point is, get some seeds in the ground. And if you're ready to stop waiting for permission and start seeding your own business, I want you to book a Your Next Move Power Hour intensive with me. In 60 minutes, I'll help you identify the best income stream for your life right now and create a 30-day action plan to get it moving. no complications, no overwhelm, just clarity and momentum. Now, did any of that resonate with you? If so, I would love for you to like, share, and hit that subscribe button because there's so much more to come. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.